This video will show you how to add and subtract matrices. You can only add matrices if each matrix has the same dimension. That is, the same number of rows and columns. This is also true when subtracting matrices. Each matrix must have the same dimension, that is, the same number of rows and columns. We will start with the given matrices. Matrix A, Matrix B, and Matrix C. These are shown to the right of your screen. We'll now go ahead and input each of these matrices. So we start second function, matrix, and we want to go to Edit. And we already have a matrix in A, but we can go ahead and change the dimension if we want to. So let's select Enter. And matrix A is 2 rows by 3 columns. So we want 2 by 3, and then Enter. So let's input the entries. 2, -1, 5, 3, Enter, 0, Enter, and 6, Enter. Okay, remember just to hit the Enter key after you input each cell. Now let's go back to second function in matrix and go back over to Edit, and let's move down to matrix B, select Enter, and this is also a 2 by 3. So we want 2, Enter, 3, Enter, and we'll input these values: 1, 7, -9, 12, 3, and -5. Now let's go to second function in matrix, and we'll go to Edit once more. And now we're going to input matrix C, and matrix C is a 3 by 3. We don't have anything set for matrix C yet, so now we can go ahead and make a new matrix. So let's put in 3, Enter, 3, and let's input the values: 4, Enter, -6, Enter, 1, Enter, and then 0, 6, 9, 11, 2, and -3. So let's go back to the matrix screen here. So we have matrix A a 2 by 3, the matrix B a 2 by 3, and a matrix C a 3 by 3. And remember, these are the number of rows and these are the number of columns. For example number 1, we would like to find the sum of matrix A and B. So what we need to do is let's quit out of the matrix mode, second function, then quit, and we will go to second function matrix, and we want matrix A, select Enter, and then we use the addition operator, plus, and then second function matrix, and we want matrix B, so we can select 2, and then we hit Enter. Okay, so the solution to this matrix is given right here. So first cell is 3, and then we have 6 and -4, and then we have 15, 3, and 1. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Alright, for example number 2, we would like to find the difference of matrix B and A. So let's go to second function matrix. We want B, number 2, subtract, so you use the subtraction operator, and second function matrix, and we want to subtract matrix A. So we select enter. So we have matrix B, subtract matrix A, select enter, and here's our result. So we have -1, 8, -14, (9), 3, and -11. So let's clear the screen. Now for example number 3, we will illustrate the error when you try to find the sum of two matrices that have different dimensions. Remember that we can only add or subtract matrices if the dimensions are the same for all of the matrices. Let's go back to the matrix mode, second function in matrix, and you can see that the dimensions of A and B are the same, but dimension C is different. So let's go ahead and try to find the sum of matrix B plus C. So let's quit out of this mode, and let's go second function matrix, and we'll take matrix B, which is number 2, and then we're going to add that to matrix C. So second function matrix, and then number 3, and select enter. So as we suspected, we're going to get some kind of an error, and the error says dimension mismatch. Remember that the dimensions need to be the same. So we can go ahead and quit out of this. Select enter. Okay, and then we can clear the screen. This concludes the video on the matrix operations of addition and subtraction.